Mount Pleasant Football Academy will not only be stepping into unfamiliar territory when they face LA Galaxy in under an hour's time in their CONCACAF Champions Cup round of 16 first leg encounter, and that is set for the Dignity Health Sports Park in California. Mount Pleasant will make their debut in the competition and caught in U.S. policy decisions that have left them with not only a depleted squad but also an inexperienced unit.
News emerged last week that Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA will be missing 10 key players who were denied visas for their trip to the United States. Of note, 7 of the players are from Haiti, a country that U.S. President Donald Trump has imposed a travel ban. Despite limited exceptions in the ban for athletes, the players weren't granted that privilege. So instead, the team traveled with an 18-man squad, several of who are from the youth team, to face LA Galaxy. Head coach Theodore Whitmore admits it's a concern, but they have to adjust with the hand they're dealt.
It's an important issue. It's one that you would like to have your team as a coach you could select from. But nonetheless, we have players who are eager to go out there and play.
Whitmore isn't taking the occasion lightly, especially given the fact that the 10-year-old club had already won a local Premier League title, the Caribbean Cup, and are now in the CONCACAF Champions Cup.
The players are the one who would have put themselves on this stage in atmosphere like this. You know, these are the sort of atmosphere you want to go into stadium like a LA Galaxy to play. And again, as I said before, we welcome the game and we look forward to it.
As for experience, Whitmore can call on defender Kyle Ming, who is no stranger to the competition, having played for Cavalier in 2024 against Cincinnati FC.
Well, I think it's communication and, we have been playing together, so we understand each other. So, yeah, that's basically it.
As for match fitness, Mount Pleasant's season has started in August of last year compared to LA Galaxy, whose MLS season is just 3 games in. However, Whitmore doesn't see their hosts at a disadvantage.
I wouldn't see it as an advantage. You know, it's a huge competition. Every team wants to do well, so it doesn't really matter if you're coming on the back end of the season or the middle of the season or the start of the season. Everybody wants to do well in our competition.
And LA Galaxy's head coach, Vanny Gregg, will not be taking Mount Pleasant lightly despite their depleted squad.
We just have to kind of focus on ourselves and, what we want to try to achieve in the game, how we want to approach the game, our mentality in the game, stuff like that. And be ready for anything, be ready for whatever they decide to do, to play against us, whoever they have to put out there. It's really, we just got to concentrate on us.
The game kicks off at 8:30 p.m. Jamaica time. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.